Yo, what's happening, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into the trade recap. I know it's been a minute, man. I've been busy, but your boy always been trading, man. I do need to put more focus in my trading channel, man. You know what I'm saying? But man, I got a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, that I talk to about stocks and teach about stocks and stuff like that, personally. But I'm gonna try to get that thing back cranking, man. When I got some free time. But I want to give y'all a video, man. Just update. You know what I'm doing. Well, basically today. You know what I'm saying. I finished up $1,367. Trading 4 stocks. So let's hop into it though. No specific order, but I'm gonna start off at the top with ACSP. So I've been looking at this stock all day trying to hit the catch the big move on it. I finally got that move right here. Let me open this up a little bit more. So I've been in and out this stock, man, trying to nail that move. So as y'all can see, I'm going long on this dip, thinking it's gonna rip, didn't do it. Add it, right? It ended up going. I thought it was gonna rip. I tried to give it time because I want this move or this move. It didn't come. It kept going down. I had to get out and take some profit. So made a little gain there. This is like one trade trying to get the big move. I tried again. Went long. End up selling it because I thought this was the move that was gonna rip up. It didn't do it. So I ended up selling, taking another small gain, right? It crashed and then it started curling back up right here. I started getting in. I said, okay, this time it's finna go. And I was right. I nailed it. Boom. You know, it ran all the way up to 6. I told people in a chat room, that I'm in, that the resistance level gonna be at 630. And as y'all can see, it nailed it right to the T, man. Right at 630, man. That is crazy. And I said that around like 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock is right here. I mentioned this 630 around 1 o'clock. That's why I kept going in, because I said, man, it gonna rip up to 630. It finally did it. I didn't catch it when it did this right here. But I caught this move right here though. And all of that totaled up to $1,255, man. I figured, they were gonna keep running this thing up. As I can see, it's very it looks manipulated, man. It's not smooth at all, but I read it pretty good, man. They was pretty much soaking up shorts. A stock like this can just wreck shorts, man, because you see these big ass wicks right here, big wick, big rich, just crushing shorts, man. Yeah, so $1,255 I made on that stock. Next stock, let's go to CVGI. Let's see. So CVGI, pretty much. I could have did better on this stock, man. I made a couple mistakes. But as y'all can see, I nailed the top of this thing, man. I could have just held this thing all the way down. You know what I'm saying? But I nailed this move. It came down to a profit. It came down some more, and that's why I messed up at. I chased it right here. I should have just got out, man. Or I should have got out. I should have got out right here, man. I knew to get out right here. Didn't do it. Ended up taking an L right here, man. So when I took this L, I was down like $700 on the day. You know what I'm saying? And then it started coming down, and I shorted it again. I thought, oh, this thing gonna fade, and I caught the fade. Like it went all the way down. I made all my money back on this trade right here. When I got in at 245, and I covered all the way down here at 226. I did like 5,000 shares, I think, something like that. It made all my money back. So that was it. As y'all can see, going short, I'm up $654. Going long, I'm down 850. Down eight. Well, no. That's another stock. Totaling up $654 on CVGI. This stock right here. Okay, let's get into CYN. A stock I should never been in. Just choppy, barely moving. I don't know why I even got in this stock in the first place. But let's talk about it. So, I end up going long right here. This will start my day off bad. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, $850 loss on this trade. Went long up here to 210 and crashing all the way down here too as I got out. Reloaned it right here at 192. Held this thing and it went up and I ended up selling it. Then I flipped short right here. Right here. It tanked, but I got out. So $100 short on the short and $850 lost on the long. And the last stock is Domo. Completely missed on this one. So I caught the bottom right here going long. I figured it was gonna turn back around and go up, making a little small profit. I shorted this thing right at the top, man. Perfect entry right here. It gets no better than this entry right here, man. And I end up piking it, man. Selling it, covering it too soon. And it end up tanking all the way down here, man. Wow. To 505, man. To the bottom of 505. And I shorted this thing at 639, man. I did like 800 shares, not that many shares, but that would have been $1,000 right there. But it's all good, man. I made 119 going long and $88 going short on it, man. Those are the stocks I traded today. Yeah, man. I've been on the road, man. So I'm gonna try to get y'all a video tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. I will be opening back up the chat room, and once I get everything together, I got some things in the works. And go to DCPRT.com to get on the wait list. And that's it for this trade recap. I'm out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.